Abbracci Biscuits are famous Italian cookies that combine two doughs, one light and one with cocoa, embraced together in a sweet union. Let's see how to make them. Ingredients: 250 grams of double O flour, 150 grams of sugar, 100 grams of soft butter at room temperature, 1 large egg, 1/2 packet of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla or vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. For the cocoa dough, 30 grams of bitter cocoa powder, 20 grams of double O flour, to be deducted from the 250 grams of the base dough, 1 tablespoon of milk. Preparation: in a large bowl, work the soft butter with the sugar until you have a frothy and light mixture. Add the egg, vanilla, and a pinch of salt, continuing to mix. Gradually incorporate the flour previously sifted with the baking powder, working the dough until it is smooth and homogeneous. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. To 1/2 of the dough, add the sifted cocoa powder and a tablespoon of milk, adding a little of the flour deducted from the base dough if necessary to achieve the right consistency. Wrap the doughs separately in cling film and leave to rest in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. After the resting time, take small portions from each piece of dough and, on a floured surface, form long and thin cylinders about 5–7 millimeters in diameter. Cross a light-colored cylinder with a cocoa one, making sure they embrace each other, then slightly curve the ends to give it the characteristic shape of a parenthesis or an open heart. Place the Abbracci biscuits on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, keeping a certain distance between them. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they are slightly golden. Let the Abbracci biscuits cool before serving. Curiosity: Abbracci biscuits were born from the idea of combining the taste of butter and cocoa in a single biscuit. Their name, Abbracci, which means hugs in Italian, indeed comes from the shape that appears to represent an embrace between two people, or poetically, between the two different flavors. For an authentic Italian touch, you can serve these biscuits with a cappuccino or an espresso, perfect for breakfast or an Italian-style snack. Enjoy your preparation and bon appetit!